my god. I am done. Are you ready for this? Let me flip the camera. Jesus. Whoa, yeah. Jeez. Talk to me now. What is this food called? It is a soup. Come like an Irish. Flavorful. May I taste like the carrot, may I taste like the sweet pepper, the onions. So good. Well seasoned. And them have corn. Jesus, them have corn. Pumpkin. Pumpkin is there. Big up. Wow. I love this. So if you're just joining us, guys, we are at a almighty can't eat up in my teeth. Mama. Now we are trying them salt beef soup. Salt beef, man. It's giving Saturday soup vibes. It gives Saturday soup vibes. I love it. Salt beef and potatoes, yams, carrot, sweet potato, all of that stuff. Yes, that is true. There it is. The church, because you know the church have this in a mickle of it. They mean for true. But many am out enough already, you know, so probably that's why. Only thing like they say they want are the spinners. What am I eating? What am I not eating? Why? But me not like, out of everything I have, the salt beef soup, I think it's probably my favorite. Dominican salt beef soup, so good. You know, long time I don't drink some real soup, guys. Me not tell no lie. When I at them place here, can get soup like tomato soup and chowder. I don't know. It is alright, but this, it reminds me so much of like Jamaican soup.